Hi, this is Pam with Eli Eden Creative. I just want to invite you to subscribe and ring the bell. And I would just love it if you would join me as I create in my little bullet journal notebook. My goal for this channel is to foster relaxation, creativity, and inspiration for you. So just little breaks in the day where you can see what I'm doing in my journal, and hopefully it inspires you to create for yourself and have a time of creative, well, I find it meditative, so creative meditation and relaxation. So basically you'll maybe notice that I have changed back to the blue tape dispenser for this page. I just really found that last glue, it just really frustrated me because it really buckled up the pages, and I kind of like the way it sits flat. I have the word Propel today, and I apparently needed to reposition that because it wasn't exactly straight. So that's sort of the nice thing about that glue tape. I like the blue ink on this particular paper pad. It's got this nice blue and sort of sage green on the brown sort of craft paper. I ripped it and I'm just going to put it up in this corner. And then using some more of that paper, just going to put it on the other page, just sort of using up as much as I can and creating interest throughout the page. So this is a stamp sticker that I created, and I chose that one actually specifically because it had the airplane on it with the propeller, and I thought it went well with the word of the day, Propel. This little saying is kind of like a little bit of a punch in the gut. It says, build your own dreams or someone else will hire you to build theirs. Farrah Gray. That little dandelion seed was a hand-carved stamp that I put on sticker paper that I didn't want to waste. And then just a little heart there. I wanted to try out this blue washi tape just to sort of tie it in with the blue ink from that corner piece. And it was a little bit too thick for the top space there, so I just ripped it. And I really like the way that fits. Now I wanted a little bit of a pop of color, so I had this tag that I had coffee dyed. And it's got, I think, my favorite flower, the poppy, on it. This year, I collected purple poppy seeds last fall. So this summer, I'm really looking forward to some purple poppies in my garden. I'll be sure to show that to everybody. This is a little stamp on vellum paper, but I decided it was a little too tall. And just gonna put it on with washi tape. Now, the other thing that I love in my garden is the ladybugs. So that was a ladybug stamp. And then I'm just adding a butterfly stamp. And if you'll notice, I'm covering up a piece of the stamp that sort of, like, you know, when you don't stamp quite perfectly. and you get those lines or whatever. So it's a bit of a fix. So just adding a little bit more. So I really hope that you enjoyed this spread today and you got a little bit of inspiration. I'll see you tomorrow.